Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market after we received the rebound where Bitcoin was able to reclaim the 64k, there has been a little bit of a positive trend. What I mean by that is we have stayed in a consolidation phase rather than falling down, and also you can see that Dogecoin is able to hold on to its price while Bitcoin is also consolidating. Now keep in mind, this is going to be starting phase 3 where we will be seeing the explosion and setting a new all-time high for Bitcoin and most likely breaking over 100k in the next run-up. But for that next run-up to happen, well, you can simply see that we are noticing that the fear to the grid index is pretty much in the dead middle. This is going to be the time where there will be a lot of retail investors that will be buying into pretty much all the altcoins, and especially Bitcoin, to hold it for the long period of time. Now this will be the time where you should position yourself in a way that when the market starts climbing, you could be also making a lot of profit. Let's talk about what is doing very well. I mean, this season, you guys know, memes and AI tokens have been the biggest gainers. I mean, AI has been leading and memes have been very good since day one. Right now, they're both doing very bad because you can see the trading volume has dipped quite significantly. But if you want to look for a token that can pretty much put you in the right spot for both of these industry, look no further, because a WienerAI, I have talked about this token a couple of times before, but you guys can see that pre-sale is slowly starting to come to an end. They have raised over $6.2 million now. The first time I ever talked about this token, they only raised about 200,000. So people who bought at that time, they've already done a 30x. Now keep in mind, the pre-sale will be coming to an end in about a day to 11 hours. Now once this happens, there might be another price rise, and then that's when the WienerAI is going to be going public. Right now the price is sitting at 1 Wiener to 0.0007. Keep in mind, this is really good price to purchase, and at the same time you will be wondering, why do I really like this token? Well, once you purchase it, you can actually go ahead and stake it for a return of 183% per annum, which is already a very good, even if they take a little bit longer to complete the pre-sale and the token to go public, you're still going to be earning a good return. At the same time, they have a very good following. They have been featured on really big things, and this is a funny meme. And the best part when we come to the AI part is they're going to be releasing a bot, which is going to be AI trading technology, AI enhanced trading, an AI interface that's instant, predictive, and noob friendly, seamless sausage swap, zero fees, and MAV protection. So you guys can see they're pretty much going to be releasing a bot that will allow people to be able to trade with more ease and try to figure out what direction the market is going to take using AI. So this will be using AI functions to help people become more predictive of what direction the market is going to take. Right now 30% is set to the pre-sale, 20% to staking, 20% to community, 10% to DEX, and 20% to marketing. Their biggest plan is when they release the WienerAI trading bot, that's when there will be a lot of whales that will buy into this token. If you do want to buy this token, you can just go to the link in the description. It will make you, get you to this website. From there, just put in how much Ethereum or USDT you want to convert into WienerAI. Once you have connected your wallet, simply buy it, and then you guys will receive the token. You can go ahead and stake it away and then worry about it later once the token goes live. They have 14,000 followers on Twitter, so very good backing, and they also just released some new information about their bot. WienerAI is your ultimate crypto trading companion. We delighted to share some sneak peek into our incredible supportive community. Now you can see that the amount of reach they're receiving is actually kind of insane, with 5.5k views in just 12 hours of posting this. Their audit was perfect. I mean, I've shown you guys this before, but in simple terms, there was just nothing wrong with it. The code is perfect. I mean, you guys can see everything is green. There is no problems at all. At the same time, you guys can see that the staking function is also slowing to get up, and their Telegram has 11,000 subscribers there. So this token still has so much long way to go. If you do want to buy it, the link will be in the description. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.